Hey guys, wanna know how to permanently delete your OkCupid account? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your OkCupid application and make sure you're logged in as well. Now, instead of that, you can also use the okcupid.com on a browser. The steps are similar. Now just simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right here and then go to settings. That should be located right around here. Now scroll all the way down until you see something known as delete account. Just simply click on it. Now once you're there, just simply choose a reason, confirm your password and tap delete again. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Make sure to keep in mind this deletes all matches, messages and profile data, and it can't be undone. But if you just want a break, try the pause account or hide profile option instead. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.